So what is this? It's a flat object that has some buttons on it. And what does it do? How can it help you in your shop? I hope to answer all these questions for you. Now, TSO sent this to me for free, and they're not paying me to say anything, and I can freely tell you whatever my thoughts are, good and bad. So first off, I just want to say this looks like a little simple thing, but it's really more than meets the eye, kind of like Transformers. It transforms. What it does is it folds up on itself just like this. Let's click those little buttons in place. Ooh, that sounds nice. You can see what it's turning into. Here we go. Get that last one. The last one's always the hardest. It's a tray. Now, why is this helpful? Why is this important? Well, it holds your items that you're working on when you're building a project. There have been many times that I have bits, screws, and other little items that I just set here on my table and I end up losing them. They roll off, or I place them where I think I placed them, and I go to grab it and I'm like, where did I put it? And I spend a lot of time searching for it, and then I think it's lost and I'm like, what do? I don't know what to do anymore. And I give up and I move on to something else. And a couple weeks later, I find that thing and I'm like, oh yeah, I put it way over there on the other side of my shop. I just forgot. Well, this tray can help with that problem. It's so simple. I wish I thought about it. Well, the thing about this is there are many times where I could use a different table, which I've done. That's been helpful, but it still gets messy. Like, this table over here, guys, it's atrocious, and it's my storing place for all those little items, and I can't even see anything because it's so bad. Here's what it looks like. Now, isn't that bad? Like, how am I gonna find anything in that, right? So, if I had something like this would solve that problem. I put all those things in here, set it on the table, and I know exactly where I need to go to get those items. Yeah. So I think, overall, it's a good idea. I wish I would have thought about it. The quality of how this is made is good. I like the stitching. It's white stitching that is in here, and it has the TSO products logo, which I think is really nice. It's like in a silvery metallic, and there's like some hardboard inside to give it that rigidity that it needs. Overall, it looks really good in my shop. If I were to just like throw it over here, you can see that, right? It stands out. So I like the color. That looks really nice. And the quality seems really good. Like I said, the stitching is solid on it. The buttons, like, they're snapped. They really hold tight. Like, I'm trying to push that on there. So quality-wise, it's a 10 out of 10. And, for what it does, like, you can see me kind of just bending and flexing. Like, I think it can take quite a bit of abuse. Now, the thing is, price-wise, maybe it's all right. Maybe it could be a little cheaper, because that's my perception of what it is. It's just so simple and relatively simple. But, the time it'll save me, yeah, I can probably get behind that. It does have value. So, I would like to know what you guys think about this. Is this something that you guys would have in your shop that you like? If you do, I'll put a link to it in the description below. If you think this is just straight out stupid, like, why would I ever want one of these? I want to know why. Like, what's your thought behind that? And if you're on the other side of the fence where you're saying, you know what? I really think this is great. I want one in my shop. I think this would solve all my problems. I want to know your thoughts too. All right, guys. Well, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more content like this and see what else I'm up to, consider subscribing. All right, guys. Till next time. I'll see you later.